This trash right here?
Yeah.
I had inside weights and they flew off or came off. So I'm not sure, just need to just rebalance it, I guess. Ooh, goddamn, boy, it's colder than the baby mama holding them kids, boy. I'm telling you, boy. She don't want you to see them no more. Them ain't your kids, them is hers. Especially around that tax time season. It's so cold, cold, cold. God damn. I'm gonna go drop this trailer, hook up to my preload, and get back south. I ain't fucking. God damn, this thing taking forever. Shit. Yeah, I gotta do it old-fashioned way. Ain't got no fancy schmancy. Got my trailer right here. Yes, sir. Load out the coal. Oh, I just pray the guy ain't got no problems with it. But anyway, I'm gonna get to y'all about those repair costs and what it cost me out of pocket, but the dealership paid for that. Let's get into it. I think these curtains are inside out. I ain't too sure because usually the fabric side goes on the inside in reverse, but I don't know. It's international. I ain't never had one before. If that's how they have it set up, that's just how they have it set up. $1,200 in labor. I'm just looking at here because I didn't really look at this before, so I'm telling you guys as I'm seeing it for the first time. So $1,200 in labor. A sealed blue butt for $1.02. Heat shrink tubing for $1.92. Ring seal O-ring $5.10. Got a possible coolant leak. Coolant leaking from O-ring for VGT. Wire chafing, which I told them about that. That was on the engine block. They relocated that wire. I could have did it myself, but they were already in there, so why not, right? Let's see. I guess labor for that was $180. We got the air brake solenoid. They replaced that. $81.24. The switches on the dash, these switches down here, they were going haywire. That's the reason why the fifth wheel wasn't working and was always open. And the switch over here on the driver's side over here where the lights are, that wasn't working as well either. See, they hook it up, active fault code, all lights come on, key or not, found a couple wires not properly connected, repaired wiring and updated body controller. That was $288 in labor. The air brake solenoid, they were the warranty people bought that. They didn't use their parts, And I think that's another reason why it took a little bit longer for me to get the truck back, because they were not using any of the parts from the dealership. They wanted to order their own parts and have them shipped there, even though the dealership had the parts. Let's see. I quoted them for a new locking key for the passenger. I ended up not doing that because I don't really need it right now. I was more concerned about getting on that road and making some of those funds. So yeah. Let's see, what else do we have here? Keep scrolling. Hourly labor rates are $97.50 for shop maintenance, $195 for shop general repairs. They do motorhomes at $220, $200 for mobile general repairs, $100 mobile maintenance fee. Wow. Let's see. So all this came up to $1,997.28. That's what I'm reading at the bottom here. Right. Oh, forgot the top. That's the 1200 from earlier. That was code 4340 DF heater line 1 voltage below normal or shorted to low source. Ran through FCAP provided for code. FCAP will be in RO for more information. Found a bad wire between the R2 heater line pressure relay and ground splice in chassis harness. Remove the front fender, driver side skirt for access. Pull apart harness of loom. Once wire was found, cut out a large portion, spliced in anew. Wire retest, same code found. It not returning with heater line test SDS. After sitting for the weekend, chucked through engine light for VGT. Tested power to ground and communication, found VGT bad. Also have updated new and old health reports, print out and put in new RO folder. Drain coolant, R&R customer supplied the VGT. Refilled with coolant, ran engine, code cleared. So yeah, that was $1,200 to do all of that. $1,260, $1,268.04 for all that. All and everything together, $1,997.28. That's what I told you guys earlier. So the VGT controller was replaced. Some bad wiring in the def line they replaced. They updated the switches, and they replaced the air solenoid in the back on the rail, which it's used to I guess these buttons with the fifth wheel slide is connected to that. I guess that went bad, so they replaced all of that. New VGT, which is nice. I'm glad it went out then and not after not after everything else. So, but as of right now, I still gotta check engine light, because after driving it for a little bit, check engine light came on with the same code. I'm gonna call them back. Well, I called them and let them know right away when it came on, but it's been like 2-3 weeks, almost 2 weeks now. So I don't know, maybe they might still correct whatever problem. They did say that they were just gonna take care of it, whatever that means. So I gotta give them a call and see whether or not they gonna still do it, or it's just too far out the window. Either way, it's not stopping the truck from driving or working, so it really ain't really bothering me all that much at this point. So run the funds, get the money and fix it later. let's see, what else do I need to take care of? So I need new headlight housings. I was gonna get new ones anyways because I don't really like the ones that are on here. But I really do need to swap them out because they're pretty old, and one of the marker lights are bad, and the hole that it sticks in, it's like reamed out. So I gotta replace the light, put some tape on there, and then whenever I get a chance to replace the whole headlight housing sometime next year, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. I'm still on recaps. I can go get brand new tires, but I want to double check and make sure that this issue that I'm having when I'm driving, let's say 65 to between 65 and 75, I get a lot of shaking going on, and it's more towards the rear of the truck. So I want to make sure that everything else is pretty much okay, and maybe it's just tires are out around or some crap like that. So I don't want to go chasing problems and throwing money at it, because that's not the whole point of doing this whole thing. So other than that, those are just my two biggest concerns right now. More so the shaking in the back, and if it does come out to be just the tires are just trash. I mean, all recaps are trash regardless, but I just go ahead and get those replaced. Other than that, she's fine. She pulls great. She does what she gotta do. So far, I've been able to make me some decent money. Not the greatest, because, the market, but I'm still able to make some money. So I'm pretty glad about that. It's Christmas Eve. I'm still in the truck. So after I post this video, I'll probably post it this Christmas Eve. If not, it'll be sometime after that. But that's the goal, that I'm going to go ahead and edit this as soon as I'm done recording this video here. I hope you guys have a good Christmas or Hanukkah or happy holidays, however guys... Merry